Hi folks, I'm going to take a few minutes and go over our grading policy with you so you have an idea of how we grade in the class, and then it'll help you to get a better grade overall if you understand how you grade, okay? So what we do here in this case, we go on a percentage basis. Every 6 weeks you get a grade. The first 6 weeks grade is already in. Then you're going to get a grade on the 12 weeks, and you're going to get a grade on 18 weeks, and then you'll get a final exam. Each one of those elements is 25% of your grade. So the total average of all of these is going to be your total grade for the class. Let's say hypothetically that in the first 6 weeks report card you get 70%. Then your average will be 70, and that will be your total grade for the class. Because in the first 6 weeks your average grade for all of the assignments you did in the first 6 weeks was 70%. What if on the next 6 weeks you only get 40% of the grades, a 40% grade on all of the assignments you did in the 12-week period? These are separate from the 6-week period. So you only got 40% in the second. That was your report card grade in the second one. You only got 40%. These two average together, now your grade dropped down to 55. You went from a C down to an F. If, for example, in this situation you went in the next 18-week report card, and the assignments you did during this this 6 weeks, you got 90%. Now you put 90, 40, and 70, average those together, and you'll have 67%. You're back up to passing again. And of course, if you got 85% on the final exam, then the average of all four of those is 71%. This person would have a C in the class. 70 on the first report card, 40 on the second report card, 90 on the 18-week report card, and 85 on the final exam. So even though you got 40% for the assignments you did during this report card period, you still got a C in the class because you got a good grade on the final exam. It's very important that you monitor your grades. You don't want to get to dig your hole for yourself. If your first 6 weeks you only got 40%, look how difficult this can be. It can work in your favor or it can work against you. Let's say in the first 6 weeks you only got 40% on those assignments you finished. The average was 40%. In the second 6 weeks you would need 100% just to get a 70. So on the assignments in this grading period, you would have to get 100% on those assignments. Average in with the grade you got for the first 6 weeks assignments would be 70%. I want to thank you for your attention. I think you're a great class and I really enjoy teaching you.